वर्तमान में ब्रज गोपिका सेवा मिशन ने आधुनिक युग की आवश्यकताओं को देखते हुए स्टडी वर्क एंड इंटर्नशिप फ्रॉम आश्रम कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से युवा पीढ़ी के लिए समुचित ज्ञान एवं दक्षता के साथ उनके समग्र विकास का मार्ग प्रशस्त कर दिया है।
To be honest, I moreover feel like I am a Braj Gopika Seva Mission Empowerment Program graduate rather than University of Sussex graduate. But if I had to express my whole experience in just one word, I would say transformative. It was purely transformative.
Radhe Radhe, I'm Saurabh Biswas and I'm from Kolkata, and I've been doing study from ashram internship in Braj Gopika Seva Mission from the last 12 months.
My name is Akash and I work as a senior test engineer in Highland R&D division. I was in ashram when the pandemic started, and since then I am working from the ashram.
Hi, my name is Vinayak Maheshwari. But I have not attended Maheshwari classes. I have attended GHLP, IIT JEE classes and spiritual classes, and qualified JEE and got admitted at IIT Kharagpur mining branch.
Radhe Radhe. My name is Asit Mishra and I am currently studying management at the University of Sussex Business School, United Kingdom. Before coming here to study, I had a transformative experience at Braj Gopika Dham back in India.
Radhe Radhe, I am Arpita, I am in class 7 and I am here for my studies.
রাধে রাধে আমার নাম শুভনীতা ঘোষ আর আমার নাম প্রিয়াঙ্কা প্রসাদ। We love Ashram environment and we have come here to study.
I had a major issue of lack of concentration. I usually took 2 to 3 hours to do normal things, which I got rectified here, and now I can do the same thing within half an hour or maximum 45 minutes.
The ashram was like a spot of perfect silence and diversity in between all the chaos of the world. Since childhood, I've been very fortunate to be associated with Braj Gopika Seva Mission and get the guidance of Pujaniya Ma and Pujya Swamiji. That has basically laid out the strongest foundation that I could ever imagine.
Staying here has been a very enriching and elevating experience for me. Along with my studies, I have the unique opportunity of pursuing my spiritual endeavors, which is rare to do when you are at your home.
BGSM GHLP ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, उसमें मैं पार्टिसिपेट किया था। फिज़िक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स के फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छे थे। टीचिंग स्टाइल उनका अच्छा था, रोज़ DPP मिलता था। वो उनको बहुत हेल्प किया टू क्रैक JEE एग्ज़ाम। JEE के एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद घर पे कुछ वैसा प्रोडक्टिव करने का था नहीं, तो मैंने सोचा आश्रम आके अपना टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ।
There is a positive vibe out here which helps me to keep myself composed. In earlier days, whenever the tough situations arrived, I used to get very much anxious. But whenever I started doing meditation here, I feel that there is a calmness in between me, and due to that I can handle those situations very well, and I can see that positive changes that are coming in me, and I feel so positive about it.
यहाँ मैं जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ, जो कि मैं घर में नहीं कर पाती थी। यहाँ उठ के मैं परिक्रमा, आरती और संकीर्तन अटेंड करती हूँ, जैसे कि मेरा जो भी नींद और आलस रहता है वो चला जाता है।
Studying in the lap of nature is quite an amazing experience, which is not at all possible while at home.
पिछले साल मेरे को इंटर्नशिप फ्रॉम आश्रम करने के लिए स्वामी जी ने बहुत इंस्पायर किया। साथ ही मुझे पता चला असित भैया जो यहाँ से खुद इंटर्नशिप किए हैं, उन्हें ससेक्स फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेने के लिए मदद मिला।
Apart from the study facilities, we also get time to do all kinds of exercises in the outdoor gym.
Here you are very much motivated when you see that very ordinary people have attained extraordinary achievements, and that too because they have become spiritual. It's because only of spirituality that people with limited capabilities have attained extraordinary achievements.
यहाँ पर रहने की बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था है।
हम सब साथ मिलकर रहते हैं, समय पे सोते हैं और समय पर उठते भी हैं।
At home, first, whenever I used to see my lessons, it seemed like a long novel to me. I felt so stressed and tensed. After I have come to the ashram, my perception, my mindset, and my attitude is changing and developing day by day.
I can concentrate more in my studies at ashram.
यहाँ पर मैं अपना स्किल डेवलप कर पाया और एक्सपोजर मिला जो मुझे करियर डेवलप करने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा।
We also got an opportunity to spend time and learn so much deeper aspect of life and philosophy from Pujaniya Ma and Pujya Swamiji. After which, if I introspect, it almost feels like life is a game of Jenga. A single negative step might just ruin your entire life.
I found the rarest of spiritual association of Pujaniya Ma and Pujya Swamiji, and that had instilled in me great values. Their inspiring words will go a long way in that divine vibes they possess. Without their association, I wouldn't have been able to make or develop my personality and character that is required to succeed in life.
By attending this internship program, I have realized that gathering material knowledge is not important. What is more important to apply those in the field of spirituality.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने कहा था कि भारत भूमि पर जन्म लेने वाले हर व्यक्ति के कांधे पर संपूर्ण विश्व की जिम्मेदारी है। ये जिम्मेदारी हम तभी ले पाएंगे जब भारत के युवा शारीरिक, मानसिक और आध्यात्मिक रूप से मजबूत बनेंगे। आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए उनकी शिक्षा यह है कि जीवन बहुमूल्य है। जिस भगवान ने हमें मानव जीवन का उपहार दिया है, उसके लिए हम पल पल कृतज्ञ बने रहें। यह कृतज्ञता हमारी चेतना के उत्थान का पथ है।